To launch United Airlines' soon-to-be-built Polaris business class and lounge, we gave consumers a virtual preview through an immersive VR activation.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. Captain speaking. We're going to get you out here just as...
Referencing blueprints and conceptual renders, we faithfully reproduced every detail using the Unreal game engine. Live-action footage of United crew members were composited, alongside CG passengers, to heighten the sense of presence. The VR activation debuted at United's official launch event, held at New York City's legendary Gotham Hall. A first-person narrative framed the experience, highlighting the extensive amenities offered on board Polaris flights. The activation continues its tour to key markets across the United States until Polaris flights officially take off. Profiled in media outlets such as AdWeek and Monocle Radio, our VR experience played a key role in United Airlines' launch of the Polaris business class and lounge.